Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I have gifted this sweet and simple cards and gift to my husband on anniversary. So I'll show you how I made it. I need some red and cream color paper, glue, scissor, pencil and marker. I have designed a silhouette of a boy and a girl sitting on a bench. It can be any shape, whatever you want. Now I am applying these flowers on the dress and giving the shape of the dress by cutting it. Then some more flowers on the top, just making some branches with the marker. Green color grass on the bottom. For the second DIY, I am gonna use this tea pad as a stand and now putting the flower in the middle. And I have this small teddies. You can use any statue like boy and girl. So putting these teddies on the both side of the flower, and now I am using this glass to cover it. Just putting the glue on the edges. So it's very easy but still very cute. For the third DIY card, I took this white and pink paper and I have printed out our cartoon sketches using an app called Moment Cam. So just fold the paper and place the picture on it. And the pink color paper inside it, putting a ribbon as a bow to make it more cute. So for the card you will need a cover also. Cut the paper in a shape of rectangle or square and place it diagonally. And then fold the corners. And now I am doing a hole by using this pencil. And now I stick the ends of the ribbon with the hot glue. And you are done. I hope you guys liked my DIY gift ideas. If you have any request, you can write it in the comment. And subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and we'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.